Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE General Electric Hotpoint Sears Kenmore Refrigerator Ice Maker Assembly Part #WR30X10087. The GE General Electric Hotpoint Sears Kenmore Refrigerator Ice Maker Assembly Part #WR30X10087 is a replacement part for refrigerators that have an ice maker. This assembly includes the ice maker, the mounting bracket, and the wire harness. The ice maker is responsible for producing and dispensing ice cubes from the refrigerator. It has a fill tube that allows water to enter the unit, a thermostat that monitors the temperature of the water, and an ejector arm that pushes out the cubes when they are ready. The mounting bracket attaches to the refrigerant. This part fixes the following symptoms. The WR30X10087 ice maker assembly is designed to replace the existing ice maker in General Electric, Hotpoint, Sears, Kenmore, and other brand refrigerators. This part can help fix issues with the following symptoms: ice maker not making ice, ice maker overflowing ice, cubes too small or hollow, ice cubes stuck in the ice maker. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the ice bin from the freezer compartment and set aside. 3. Remove the screws that secure the ice maker assembly to the freezer wall. 4. Pull out the old ice maker assembly and disconnect any wiring harnesses or water lines connected to it. 5. Place the new ice maker assembly in position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. 6. Reconnect any wiring harnesses or water lines to the new ice maker assembly, if applicable. 7. Plug in your refrigerator and turn it on to begin cooling. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.